Hey Marley, how are you? All right, so you chill out, okay? Because I got a knife. No, I'm just kidding. The knife's for this. Okay, so I have this, right? I have one of these. It's got it's got the black marks there, so it's a 14 kilogram. And so that's what should be in this box. And so there's when I ordered it. All right. And there's what I ordered. I covered up my stuff. All right. Whatever. But crazy, right? So, hey! So this will be ample for me. Ta-da! An exact duplicate. So, all right. So I can lose some weight again. Okay. Okay. All right, I wasn't really prepared to do any kettlebell exercises right now, but it finally came, so I got 2 of them. All right.